Meaning of innocence.
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 Innocence. Innocence refers to a state of purity, free from wrongdoing or guilt. It is the absence of any malicious or harmful intent, and it connotes a sense of naivety or lack of experience. Innocence is often associated with childhood, where individuals are not yet exposed to the complexities and challenges of the outside world. However, as people grow older and gain more experience, innocence can be lost. The concept of innocence is often portrayed in literature, art, and music, and it remains an important ideal in many cultures around the world.